Have you ever tried using a free VPN only to realize it's slow, full of ads, or doesn't even work? You're not alone. Most free VPNs promise a lot but fail when you actually need them. But in this video, I'll show you 3 real free VPN websites that actually work. No downloads, no hidden fees, and no fake promises. First on the list is ProtonVPN. This one stands out because it offers unlimited data on its free plan, which is super rare. Most free VPNs limit you to just a few hundred megabytes a day. ProtonVPN gives you strong encryption, decent speed, and servers in countries like the United States, the Netherlands, and Japan. The only catch? You can't pick premium servers or stream Netflix. But for privacy and browsing safely, it's absolutely reliable. Next is Windscribe. This VPN gives you 10 gigabytes of free data per month, which is plenty if you're not streaming all day. You can also earn extra data just by tweeting about them or referring a friend. What makes Windscribe awesome is its built-in ad blocker and firewall that protect your browsing activity. It's available for both desktop and mobile browsers, and it's one of the few free VPNs that still let you choose from multiple countries. And third, Hide.me. This service offers 5 free server locations and up to 10 gigabytes of data per month. It's known for being fast, secure, and, most importantly, not selling your data to advertisers. Hide.me also has a strict no-log policy and supports multiple platforms. You can use it directly through the browser or install it as an extension for Chrome and Firefox. It's lightweight, safe, and works surprisingly well for a free plan. Here's a quick tip: if you're just trying to access blocked websites or protect yourself on public Wi-Fi, browser-based VPNs like UrbanVPN or TouchVPN are also worth trying. They're not perfect, but for casual browsing, they do the job without slowing your connection too much. So there you have it, 3 free VPN websites that actually work: ProtonVPN, Windscribe, and Hide.me. These tools give you real privacy without paying a cent. Just remember, free VPNs are great for light use. But if you need high speed and streaming access, upgrading to a paid plan might be worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still searching for a good VPN. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.